Well done. I really have to say well done because we have come so far in discussing osmosis. We've discussed the forms in which osmosis occurs. We've looked at the response of different types of cells, animal and plant cells, to different osmosis events. You've learned so much. Now, in today's lesson, we'll be looking at the last form of osmosis, and that occurs only in plant cells, and it's called flaccidity. Now, you may be wondering, why is it that we have all this complexity in plant cells when we talk about osmosis compared to their counterpart animal cells? Now, this complexity is due to that presence of the cellulose cell wall, that very rigid, strong cell wall that animal cells do not have. Now, let's talk about flaccidity. What is flaccidity? Flaccidity is defined as a condition in which the plants lose water to their surroundings faster than they can absorb water. When a plant cell loses more water in this way, it is said to become flaccid. Flaccidity normally occurs when there's no water in the soil or during periods of drought or dry season. Such a continuous loss of water to the surroundings may cause the plant to wilt, or it may even die if this continues for a very, very long time. The plasma membrane, in this case, is not pressed tightly against the cell wall anymore due to a shortage of liquid content in the cell, compared to the positioning of that plasma membrane to the cell wall when everything is okay and there's lots of water in a normal cell. Now, natural examples are the ways in which trees shrink and leaves rustle up and dry up during the dry season. You've probably seen this happen. Some dry up and die altogether, and some even completely burn off. Now, if, for example, we reintroduce water to the plant, on its way to becoming flaccid, before things become so bad, we can see that a plant or a plant cell that has become flaccid starts to plump up again and starts to become what? Turgid. So in that sense, flaccidity is like the opposite of turgidity. Well done again. See you in the next lesson.